If losing weight by walking never occurred to you, reconsider. When it comes to weight loss, walking for exercise is perhaps one of the most underappreciated types of exercise. The majority of individuals believe that in order to lose weight, they must put in numerous hours of running or weightlifting. These exercise methods have been proven to accelerate fat loss and enhance lean muscle mass, but they aren't the only ones. In fact, everyone may benefit from a walking program to lose weight. All it takes is a little preparation and knowledge of the right progression to achieve your goals. Anyone trying to reduce weight by increasing their activity level will benefit from this 21-day walking plan, which is a beginner's walking program. After finishing this program, you'll have an increased metabolic rate, increased energy levels, and improved cardiovascular endurance, and will finally lose weight. In this video, we will be looking into a 21-day walking plan you should try. Before we dive into the topic of the day, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new content. Do not forget to stretch out and cool down for 5 minutes prior to your walk. Week 1. The goal for the first week is to gradually lengthen your walks. We'll begin modestly and build up to a safe distance. Depending on your desire, you can either divide the minutes into 2 walks, one in the morning and one in the evening, or you can take 1 stroll to cover the entire period. Day 1. Day 4 to 10 minutes, easy pace. After the 4th day might be a good time to split this time into morning and evening walks if you're finding it difficult to complete the full time in one session, 9 minutes in the morning and 9 minutes in the evening. Day 5 to 20 minutes, easy pace, to be split into 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. Day 6 to 22 minutes, easy pace, to be split into 11 minutes in the morning and 11 minutes in the evening. Day 7 to 25 minutes, easy pace, to be split into 13 minutes in the morning and 12 minutes in the evening. Week 2. This week, picking up the tempo will be your main priority. We'll practice quick walks at an easy to moderate speed. Day 8 to 14 minutes, 2 minutes easy, 10 minutes moderate, 2 minutes easy. Day 9 to 16 minutes, moderate pace. Day 10 to 18 minutes, 2 minutes easy, 6 minutes moderate, 2 minutes fast, 6 minutes moderate, 2 minutes easy. Day 11 to 20 minutes, moderate pace. Day 12 to 22 minutes, 4 minutes easy, 14 minutes fast, 4 easy. Day 13 to 25 minutes, moderate pace. Day 14 to 27 minutes, 2 minutes easy, 3 minutes moderate, 17 minutes fast, 3 minutes moderate, 2 minutes easy. Week 3. The focus of week 3 will be boosting your resistance. This can involve climbing a hill, going on a hike, or even using the stairs. The addition of resistance will raise your heart rate to the upper end of the aerobic zone, even if your pace will range between easy and moderate. Day 15 to 15 minutes walking uphill with increasing elevation or upstairs. Day 16 to 25 minutes, moderate pace. Day 17-20 minutes, 17 minutes walking uphill with increasing elevation or upstairs at an easy pace, 3 minutes easy pace on a flat level. Day 18 to 23 minutes, moderate pace. Day 19 to 27 minutes, 20 minutes walking uphill with increasing elevation or upstairs at an easy pace, 7 minutes easy on a flat level. Day 20 to 30 minutes, moderate pace. Day 21 to 33 minutes, 25 minutes fast-paced walking, 8 minutes easy walking. The following safety measures should be taken when going on walks. When possible, take the walkways. If walking on streets, always face oncoming traffic. Avoid going outside after dark. If you decide to, stick to well-lit streets. Carry a mobile phone, a flashlight, a whistle, and wear light-colored, reflective clothing. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other 21-day walking plans that are worth trying, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comment section.